So today I am in Wilmington, North Carolina, downtown Wilmington, North Carolina, I believe, for this beautiful little museum here. Take a look at this train. Well, sorry, engine. Beautiful steam engine. We're 100 years old. It's a Baldwin locomotive out of Philadelphia. My God. So, watch out your back. So someone really wanted to get an up and close and personal look at it. You got an old train car back there. Atlantic coastline. It's gorgeous. So you can look inside. Yeah. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna head inside and go. That's where all the coal would go in the tender there. You know that. There's a firebox. Amazing. Wow. Oh no, I want to pull it. I want to pull it. A little schematic. It's hard to read. The glare. I apologize. But let's go over here. I'm the engineer. There's a plane landing over, because Wilmington Airport's near here. This is so cool. Just sitting here, just putting around in the engine. Got your, I think. No, I'm not even gonna guess. Oh, that'd be so cool. Okay, I was gonna say this was the throttle, and then let's see. I wasn't gonna guess, but then I seen the schematic telling you what every little part is and whatnot, and I like that. So this is definitely the throttle. 9 is the Johnson bar. See, 10 is for the ash gate, which is, I think, down there. That's pretty neat. I love this. I'm in heaven right now because I just love old steam trains. I'm really tempted to pull that wire though. Okay, the big kid in me has to do it. Let's see if we can get it to run. Hey, come on. There you go. I had to do it. I had to do it. Oh, that's perfect. To the hobos. I don't think they mean Hobo Racing League. So here's inside that old boxcar. Railroad crossing. Joe Baldwin and the legend of... What? There's the hobos. A small animal carrier, 1910. Ain't nothing but a can of beans here. Yeah, that's good. I appreciate it. I want to read the story here. It's got... I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see, hopefully. In 1867. I'll scroll down a little bit. You could pause as you at your own leisure. Huh. So it's a ghost story. Railway Express Agency casket cart. Interesting. It's got a little one-cylinder engine on it. I think that's interesting. It's got a beautiful triangle folded American flag for fallen soldiers. That's pretty neat. Tell you, if you're ever in Wilmington, please stop here. I mean, I have only been here for 5 minutes, and I'm already having the time of my life. I love this stuff. This is great. This is a nice, relaxing vacation. What would I need it? Well, we need it. We're gonna go in the inside part now and show you all that.
Okay. And everywhere you see a button blinking, push it and it'll make. See what happens.
Well, I got something to move.
Whichever you want to do.
Okay.
That's so cool. We've got a little parade going.
I could probably be part of it myself, so. What are you talking about now? Don't worry about it, I don't know. You sure? It's fine.
Atlantic coastline. Apparently, if you're into trains like I am, they sell the little cars as well. N gauge. You got HO trains here. They're nice. Oh wow, the Jupiter. Oh my gosh. You're okay. I'm not knowing. I do like those golden spikes. Cool. I found roadkill. That trucker's having a bad day. Train stopped. Just gonna slowly pan, and if you'd like to stop and read any of these, be my guest. So let me back out. So that's the route train would take. Wilmington to Manchester, Wilmington to Charlotte and Rutherford, Cape Fear to Yadkin Valley, Fayetteville Cutoff. So that's way up there. Wilmington to New Bern. It's not that bad of a ride. Brunswick Southern, that's even better. We'll pan this way from under the ground. Likely before Civil War. Iron two-piece hammer welded construction. Wow. For over 125 years, railroad activity in Wilmington left a body of evidence underground. When buildings were raised, tracks were removed. New areas were filled, the streets were paved. Excavation and construction in the last few years have yielded many items. Oh. Bottles for medicines and tonics of the time. Some really old rail spikes. Parts and pieces. Little button. It's crazy. Stock photos. Oh wow. An old ledger book from RailRoad. Freight account. Wow. That's gorgeous. On a train. The General. This is one of my favorite trains. So there was the General, the Texas, and the Jupiter. And the General was a Civil War train. And I got to see the Texas. It's actually on this channel a while back. There's an old Buster Keaton movie about this wonderful engine. That's so cool. Yeah, the Great Locomotive Chase right here. Yankee Raiders hijacked the Western and Atlantic Mail train pulled by the Locomotive General. Oh, you can pause it if you want to read it, but it's absolutely wonderful little thing. Nice piece of American history. Trips to Florida. I'm going there in a day. Tomorrow I leave for Florida. Spent our 2 days here, checked out the area, and we leave for tomorrow. Railroad safety. Here's a nice little landing. Wait, driver, wait. Wow. These little ads. Oh, that's cool. And I took apart the old HO scale and just made a little viewing model out of it. That's pretty neat. And flares. The flagger, and you got the little hole punch, some keys, oil cans. Clinkers, piece of fused rock, which often builds up over time in the hot coal fire. That's pretty neat. Oh. Train security. Oh wow. That's neat. Arrests and convictions. Little switcher. Huh. Oh, this is shy. I see. So right there's the Climax locomotive model. That's pretty neat. I think that's O gauge. I could be wrong. I think that's O gauge. Correct me if I'm wrong. So that's pretty cool. I wonder why Santa Claus the movie needed these. When do we leave, Ralph? Not yet. I didn't look at it yet. I've just been looking at everything else. Prohibited for asking tips. Ooh. I was not expecting it to actually work.